Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of creating a template in ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow along with us. In your ConvertKit dashboard, look for the Send section to start creating your email. Navigate to the Email Templates option to access your existing templates or create a new one. Click on the New Template button to begin crafting your email. Browse through the available templates and choose one that suits your email's purpose, whether it's for a newsletter, a promotional offer, or an announcement. After selecting a template, give it a meaningful name to help you easily identify it later. Use the editing tools to customize the template to your liking. You can modify the text, images, colors, and layout to reflect your brand's style and message. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, don't forget to save your work to ensure your template is ready for use. Now, return to the Send section in the dashboard to start the process of broadcasting your email. Find and click on the Broadcast option to view your broadcasting options. Click on the New Broadcast button to create a new email broadcast. In the Broadcast Creation window, you'll see the template you created earlier. Click on it to load your customized design. Give your broadcast a descriptive name. This helps you keep track of your emails and their purposes. Click on Continue. Then choose the type of publishing broadcast. And click on Continue. Decide when you want to send your email. You can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. After this, click on Publish Broadcast. That's it. You're done. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I'd like to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.